Class 11 Business Studies, Chapter number 1, Evolution and Fundamentals of Business. Assignment Answers. Now see, question number 1, it is name any two instruments of exchange used in ancient times. It is hundi and chitti. Answer number 1 is hundi and chitti. Question number 2, name any two trading communities prevalent in India during ancient times. Answer number 2, it is Punjabi and Mahajan. Question number 3, Aryan sold his watch to his friend. Will this activity of Aryan constitute a business activity? Answer is no. Question number 4. Now see, what is a hundi? Hundi is an instrument of exchange which was prominent in subcontinent. Question number 5. What are economic activities? Explain by giving examples. Answer number 5. The activities which help in earning livelihood are known as economic activities. Examples. See, I have given only 2 examples. There can be many more. A doctor treating patients in hospital, bank employee serving in bank, etc. Question number 6. Outline the concept of business. The term business may be defined as an economic activity involving the production and sale of goods and services undertaken with a motive of earning profit by satisfying human needs. Question number 7. Meeta is a housewife. She cooks food for her family. Is it an economic activity? See answer. Answer number 7. It is no. Question number 8. In question number C, first of all, let us read the question. Explain briefly the role of profit as an objective of business. Role of profit. Point number 1, source of profit for business persons. 2 number, source of funds for meeting expansion requirements. Source number 3, indication of efficient working of business. Source number 4, reward for risk taking. Point number 5, builds up reputation of business. I have written only headings, but you will not do like this. You will do the explanation, proper explanation you will write. Here I have not written because in the previous slides all the explanation of each and every point that has been done. Question number 9. Describe briefly the various features of business activity. Features of business activity: an economic activity, production, sale or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs, dealings in goods and services on a regular basis, profit earning, uncertainty of returns, element of risk. Here also the headings they have been written. You will explain in detail. Question number 10. It is a case study, so listen carefully. Rishabh had to face heavy losses in tourism business due to the devastating floods in Kerala. In order to survive, he has introduced many attractive travel packages and invested huge amount in promoting these lucrative offers to the prospective consumers. A number. Identify the type of business risk being mentioned in the above paragraphs. Now see. It is natural risk because of floods there was problem in his business. B number. Suggest any 3 ways in which the business risks can be minimized. Now see, there can be many more methods. If I say more than 3, there can be any number of the ways how to the business risks can be minimized. So I have written all 4. Business risk can be minimized by obtaining license. If license is not obtained, there can be the closure of the business. By playing safe all the times, a businessman is supposed to be very careful whenever he performs any business activity. Point number third, comparison between existing safety systems and internal control. Now see, it is very important and interesting also. There are so many safety systems in your business, but along with that there should be control also. Whenever those business are required, whenever those business they are supposed to be used, in that condition they should be ready for usage. Point number 4, proper planning for risk management means whatever the proper management can be done by the business should do. Deepak, it is now question number 11. It is also case study. Deepak Constructions deal in construction, bridges, roads, etc. See, I have given two examples. They can be malls, they can be anything. The company uses cement, bricks, steel and wood. There are 500 employees in all working in this company. The company has a separate division for which deals their transport activity. It means they have their own transport, many more the items they use. And what are the items that they use? Cement, it is the bricks, steel and wood. Overall, the company has 4 trucks. These trucks are used to transport goods on hire. See, when it is a construction company, they need padding. Without padding, no construction is possible. Identify and state 2 types of industrial activities from the above paragraph. It means the 2 types that you have to reply, that should be from the above paragraph which the company is performing. Now see, answer number 11, it is secondary industries and tertiary industries. In secondary industries, they are using cement, bricks, steel and wood. And tertiary industries, they are using business services. Question number 12, the industries which provide support services to other industries are as, it is a fill in the blank, and in fill in the blank you will write tertiary industries. Question number 13, write the types of internal trade. Answer 13, there are, see, the 2 types of internal trade, they are retail trade and wholesale. Question number 14, it is a fill in the blank. You have to fill this blank. Dash, risks means chance of loss without any possibility of gain. It is pure risk. Question number 15, write the profit is the reward for bearing risks. True or false? Then it is true. And now listen to your homework. Test of chapter 1 is on 6th May. So prepare well. Again listen, test is on 6th May. Thank you so much.